This board, babe? I'm pretty sure there's a giant one underneath me. Okay. Okay. Should I? Really?
That's a giant gator.
I'm so scared right now to even come over there. This gentle giant over here just wants to play. Which side's it on? You said we got. Are you nervy, baby?
A little bit. He's a dinosaur. I'm not kidding.
You should see how big these dang manatees are. Oh, it's a baby.
You're gonna hit the ground.
Where?
Right in front of you.
Oh, I see a stick. Uh-oh. Lord, let me make it over the stick. This manatee won't leave me alone. I'm trying to get there. I can't see him and I'm scared. You got me terrified right now. What? Where is he? Where? I need to stand up to see him? Am I oh, hell no. Are you for real? I'm not going past that thing. You're serious? That's not, it's not real. Is that real? That's real. Okay. Where we got to paddle? Around him? Oh my gosh. Are you serious? This is like paddling through damn Gatorland. He is literally a dinosaur. Is he real?
Yeah, that's real.
Okay. Holy shit, how is he alive still? You better be real quiet. Holy shit. I'm so nervous right now. Look at the osprey above you too, I think.
Oh man, he's massive.
Babe, shh. Don't piss off the giant gator. Okay, I'm cool with the osprey. He's cool. Is he real?
Oh yeah, he's real.
Babe. I don't want to hit you. I feel like I'm gonna. Is it fake? If it's fake, those people are assholes. But I don't want to find out if it's real. Babe.
I don't know. Yeah, it's fake. Perfect. See the legs?
Not happy right now.
Oh, it's peaceful.
The bird's cool though, but I don't know if you could see him.
We need that one for the pond.
I mean, that thing is a little intimidating.
It looks so real. Alright, middle of the leg.
Oh man, I'm shaking.